Just wiring up the final parts of the dash. I hooked up turn signals and the high beams. That's the dash. You can see here I've got the left turn, high beams, right turn. I'm not actually wild about sort of where everything is yet, but I wanted to see if I can make it work. So this is a good start. I turn on the lights. Lights are on, you can see. Turn them on, turn them off. And then turn on my high beams, and it's red. It should be blue. I'll make it blue, but there you go. And then, let's see. Go ahead and turn the rest of the car on so the turn signals work. That's the left turn, and that is the right turn. Pretty happy with all that. Oh, hazards. So you can see that it's reflecting, and yeah, there you go. It's all done what it's supposed to do. Pretty happy with all that. So, yeah,